Hey everyone, it's me, Wordgirl, and welcome back to the next session of the video of Tracy Wilson's Freestyle Pack, where I am the training center of the Central Square and today today no. I guess I wanted to continue about this to some trains I wanted to speak about to try and everything. So I wanted to show you about to try this Sunny HF because it was my first time to use it. I'm gonna to make him another try to using it, okay? I don't know what to say, but Stanley looks so beautiful in there when he's starting. So I'm gonna to show you about how to maintain him moving backwards and forwards. So I'm gonna to check out the directions on there with the map, and the directions on there is good and very good. And very good. And well, I wanted to show you about the train energy because in the first video I made it about the train Evo 6. I'm trying in a full sequence, so I wanted to show how to make him to moving backwards, okay? So let's do this. Now I am pulling the reverse and backwards and apply the combination brake. Just look. Guys, it's important to make the energy start moving slowly because if you apply too much power it will cause your wheel spin, okay? So look. And now look, I'm gonna to stop him and put him into full forward position back to this position, okay? And look, is it amazing, right? You need to be careful, guys, because if you can stop standing HF without crossing there, boom, it will crash. Just look. Now with the standing stopping down, I'm gonna to show you about the other passes about all the train wanted to try it. And this is the PR 166. So I guess I need to making other things like this. I'm gonna to let it standing on there. Let's climb on the PR 166 and let's do this. So look, I'm gonna to cross it on the toes. I'm sitting here and look. I wanted to show you how I'm about to making this to driving the PR 166. First, let's put it to the reverse and handle on there. And now put it on the forwards. So now let's put it about to apply to the place to make this. Well, I don't know what to say, but it's too hard about to do that, okay? So let's see. So now, let's see if the place is released. Like you see what it is, right? So now let's apply the wheels 12 there of the regulator and let's see how it's gonna to move. So let's see if it starts to move it or not. What's the matter with that train? Why it can't start to move? What's the matter with that train? Why is that move? Oops. Guys, I guess I'm not ready to driving on this, to driving the bureaucracy disease, but it will be the next video, okay? So I'm gonna to go out there and using other trains, right? So well, I wasn't ready to driving the bureaucracy disease, but I guess I will be doing the next video just like I said earlier, okay? So let's see if I'm gonna to driving the class 333 energy multiple unit, okay? So now with the door open, just look, I wanted to show you about to using that train. In the others, the left. Just I'll show you how to make this move. Just look. Just wait, okay? Well, I guess it's too hard about to driving those trains and I expected, okay? Okay, let's see if that train is good enough to move, right? Come on, start to move! Mine! I don't get it. Why the train is not moving? It's too hard. Sorry guys. I was doing here about to driving those trains, but it's too impossible to driving the class 333, the BR class 66. Well, almost all the trains, okay? Well, almost all the trains. But well, I guess I wasn't enough. I guess driving is an ATF is easy, but the class 66 and the class 333 is too hard to move in. Well, I guess I'm gonna to driving about. I try to driving the PR 146.2 and the CT 14.2. And later, the class 333 and the class 66. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm so eager about to show you about the driving trains, but I guess I need to little practice on that. Guys, I guess it was enough, okay? So, I guess I need to think about the driving those trains, okay? So, please subscribe, take a comment, and give it a like on this. I wanted to show you about more videos on trains and we'll say please start it back, okay? So, goodbye and see you in the next video, okay? We're up!